Can you tell me the final one time, please? The final.
Final is non-access modifier keyword. You can apply final keyword on the variable, method, and class. If you declare a variable as a final, you cannot change the value of any variable. Whatever you assign one time, that's a final. You cannot reassign the new value to that variable. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So the next one is non-static or instance variable. Non-static or instance variable means if you declare any variable outside the method, see the declaration outside the method and inside a class without static keyword, then that variable is called non-static variable and instance variable. So where is the declaration? Outside the method, below the class, inside a class, without static keyword, then that variable is called instance variable or non-static variable. Clear for everyone with that sentence?
Yes, sir.
Class below, outside the method. Method body outside only. It should not be inside. Inside means that variable is local variable. If you declare a variable outside the methods, inside a class without static keyword, then that variable is called non-static variable. Then you can access them. Okay, you declared non-static variable. Where you can access them? Any non-static method. Any non-static method in the same file. So any non-static method in the same file directly, you can just call the variable name in that methods. Which methods? Non-static methods only. You cannot access non-static variables inside the static methods. Please catch this point again, second point. Very clearly I have written here. Non-static variables are accessible within any non-static method in the same file, same class. Directly you can call that non-static variable whatever you declared. In the non-static methods, because non-static variable, non-static method, both are same category. So you can access directly. But non-static variables should not allow to use or call directly inside the static methods. So non-static variables are not accessible within the static methods. Directly not possible. Then how is it possible? I already told that, but I will repeat again. If you want to access non-static data in the static methods, first you have to create object for the class. Then with object reference, you can call the non-static variable and non-static methods. Okay, so that is the simple concept. Based on this concept only, entire automation Java will run. If you catch these points, that's why carefully read these points and by heart them until they are in your mind. They should be fixed in your mind. All these points should be very strongly fixed in your mind. You should not forget, even in sleep also, if I wake up, If you wake up and somebody asks, you should tell that. These points are very, 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 very important for your automation. Throughout, not only automation, even entire Java also, these are crucial. Fundamental core topic, but it's a very small topic, but powerful topic. Okay, so where you can declare, where you can access, I have given. Now, which memory they will store, when they will store. So they are going to store in the heap area. Which area?
Heap area.
Heap area. So the all non-static data will go and store in the heap memory area. When they will store in the heap memory? If you declare they will directly go? No. When you create object for the class, then only memory will create in the heap memory for the non-static variables and non-static methods. Please catch this point. If you declare non-static variables and non-static methods in the class, memory won't allocate. Then how, sir, when it will allocate? Only when you create object for the class. That object when you create, the memory will come and create in this heap memory. In this memory, all the non-static variables and non-static methods will store in that memory. Every memory has some address, integer number. That memory they will go and store. Okay, so that is the non-static variables where when the memory will allocate for them. Okay, so JVM will provide default values. For example, you didn't assign the value for the non-static variables. You just declared. Declared means, so access modifier, data type, variable name, that's it. No assignment. You should not use no assignment. Declaration means that's a declaration. Access modifier, data type, variable. So that's a declaration of any variable. And JVM will provide a default values. If you don't assign any value, JVM will give a default values for the any non-static variables based on the data type. If it is integer, what is the default value for the integer variables? 0. If it is a boolean, false.
False, true and false.
If it is a string, null. If it is an object, null is the default value.
Okay.
If it is a float or double, 0.0. By default, the values will come. Who will assign them? JVM will assign them.
Yeah, so one program I didn't get, I didn't string name. It will assign null.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Now
No? Non-static variables, they will assign a null value. Automatically, JVM will assign that. Okay, good. So instance variables are allocated memory and the heap memory. Since these instance variables allocated memory in the heap, for every object, a separate copy of instance variables will be created in the memory. For example, same class I created multiple objects, object 1, object 2, object 3. All 3 objects. So see the memory will go and store 3 times object 1 memory, object 2 memory, object 3 memory. 3 memories will create. Each memory is unique. It's a different. But same variables will go and store in the object 1, object 2, object 3. If you want to call object 1 variables, you have to use object 1 reference. If you want to call object 2 variables, you have to use object 2 reference variable. If you want to call object 3 variables, you have to use object 3 reference dot that variable, or even methods also. Every object is unique, not common. That's what I'm telling. Common thing is static. Unique thing is represented by non-static. So very, very special, all these points, guys. Please catch this. Okay. So what is a non-static variable syntax? Access modifier, data type, variable name equal to value. So you declared a variable and assigned a value. This is the declaration and assignment. Both are happening in this line. But if you want to declare, just this is a declaration. So non-static final variable syntax is access modifier, final, data type, variable name equal to value semicolon. So you can declare a final variable also, this non-static variable. So what will happen if you declare final? The value cannot be changed. Value cannot be changed. So S4 you declared Java. Always S4 value is going to be Java only. If you try to modify in the next line, it will throw compile time error for you. It will throw compile time error for you. Okay. So that is the non-static. See that. I want to test here people. See, many people are making mistakes here. Let's see here. So this is the class name, right? Everybody clear on this? Now,
Yes, sir.
access modifier, data type, variable name equal to value. Now I declared public int a equal to 20, comma b equal to 30. So now a are the instance variables, right? Why instance variables we are calling here?
Access modifier, variable name and value.
Okay, why you are, how can you say this is the non-access modifier key, non-static variables? A and B are non-static variables. How can you say this? Okay, next this one. Okay, so still answer is not there from you guys. I think you completely missing the whatever the topic I explained. Float x equal to 4.5. String str equal to Java. X and str, what type of variables?
Is S is a string.
Variables, variables means you have to think only three types.
X is a int.
It's a data type. Data types don't bring here. I'm not asking what data type. I'm asking, please understand the question. I'm asking variable type. What type of variable? X is a what?
Local variables, float
Local variables.
and string.
String is a
Who told local variable?
I, VJ,
Vijay.
because it's a data type, variable name, and the value.
Okay.
That is the
So how
syntax that
many
we
of
use
you
for
say
local.
it is a local variable? Harika, Monica, Bhargav, Amruta.
So,
Is this a local variable or what type of variable is this? Vijay told it's a local variable.
no, sir.
Hmm?
X equal to 4.5.
Harika, Monica, and Amruta. You have to speak up. What type of variable is this?
Sir, it's not a local variable, sir.
Why? Z is telling it's a local variable, right?
No, sir. No, sir.
Hmm.
You are
How
assigning
you
that
can define
Java.
it's not a local variable? How you can define? How you can justify that?
One second, sir.
Hmm. What Monica, Amrita, and Harika? So where are you guys?
No,
The
Within the
local
method,
with method.
you are saying that local variable is within method, sir.
Hmm.
It's not in the method. That's why it's not local variable.
Good. Very good. Your understanding is very good, Bhargav. So what Vijay, what I told you, local. What is the definition of local variable? I told you. Where you missing the
Within
definition?
you
method.
declared
Inside a
any
method.
variable inside the method body or block body,
But
then
where it is declared here? Where it is declared? Inside the method or outside the method?
Outside the method, sir.
Outside the method, sir.
Outside the method.
Then why
Public
are you
key is
struggling?
specifically-
Why are you
Right,
struggling, you
right,
guys?
right.
Public int A is equals to 20 is there, sir.
Then what type of variable is this now? Tell me.
It's a non-static variables.
Non-static variable. So why it is a non-static? See that access modifier. What is the access
Your
modifier here?
Accessing
And
float.
public.
float x is
Public.
equal to
Where is
4.5.
public here, ma?
Float.
default
Float x is equal
access
to 4.5.
modifier, sir.
Huh?
Default,
Default.
no keyword.
Default. It's a default.
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 And then it went to second part. That is a data type. And then
Variable
it
name.
is a variable.
Variable
Then assignment
assign
operator.
that one.
Then variable
Operators.
value.
Yeah.
See how easy to compare with this syntax. That's what I told you. Syntaxes are crucial. If you know syntax, life is easy in the coding. See, I already told access modifier. You forget the access modifiers immediately. And local variables, I told almost 30 to 40 minutes, the local variables only. And you forget local variables, concept itself. Not only you, I'm not faulting you, 99.9999% people, they made a mistake on this area. I asked all, nobody till now, nobody given the correct answer. Now Bhargav has given, so all of them made a mistake in these lines. Because they are not applying what they learned in the local variables. And what is the non-static, they are not applying. And access modifiers, they are not applying their concepts. You should apply access modifier concept and the declaration where it is. First I told you, any time if you are telling a day what type of variable means always only 3 types. Monica, you are missing 2 data types. Don't move on to data types. Variable types I am talking. You should talk only variable types means local, non-static, static. That's it.
Static.
You should not think any other thing. Variable types means these 3 only. Clear at least now?
Yes, sir.
Whether I am
Yes, sir.
asking the data types, variable types, you have to be very clear on that. Okay. So now, see that. Now I am doing non-static method. Access modifier, void, method name, parenthesis, curly bracket, method body. This is the non-static method syntax. See access modifier I given public. Void as it is I have written. Method name M3. Parenthesis curly brackets. Now see I am declaring here. So now tell me what is this sum variable and A and B what type of variables?
Sum is local variable.
Variable.
Sum is local variable because the declaration of that
Definition is of method body.
Within the method body.
within the method body. A and B, where I declared? A and B declaration happened where?
A and B declaration.
Instance variable.
Instant.
Where is the declaration? I'm asking. Declaration happened where?
In the public class.
Outside the method.
Outside the method. Here is the declaration. Why you were forgetting the declaration of the variables? I don't understand. Everybody forgetting that. Do you know the declaration? What is the assignment? Amrita and Monica, Harika, are you clear on what is the declaration? What is the assignment?
What is the
Are you clear on
assignment?
these two terminologies?
Outside the method. Okay.
Now, my question, are you understanding my question?
Yeah, sir.
What is the difference between declaration and assignment?
Where we build method.
Assignments, we assign the values.
Assignment means
How you will assign the value? And what is the declaration, Amrita? What is the assignment? What is the declaration? Okay.
Declaration order.
Very basic question. Ha. See, the declaration means access modifier,
Declare.
data type, variable name. That is called declaration. This part is there. That is the declaration. You can assign the value with assignment operator. If assignment operator and value is there, that is the assigning a value. Declaration means no assignment operator. This is the, so declaration means, let me take pen and paper. Declaration means this is the one. Just
Access modifier, data type, variable. Okay.
this is the declaration. No assignment operator. It's a local means just data type variable. This is the declaration. Static means this is the declaration. Please make a note the declaration and assignment.
Okay.
Assignment means
Value names.
so variable name equal to value. This is the assignment or this is the assignment. So we already did here equal to a value. That is the assignment value. Assigning a value. At least now clear or you have a doubt on this area. What is the declaration? What is the assignment? Can you all come on the video? Can you all come on the video? Can you explain one by one? I am stopping the video here. I don't want to move on any more at all.